Hello students, welcome to Well Explained Pedia. Today I am here with class 9 Maths NCERT chapter 7 Triangles and exercise 7.1. Students, question number 1. In quadrilateral ACBD, AC is equal to AD and AB bisects angle A. A quadrilateral is given, its name is ACBD. And in this AC is equal to AD, it is given this AC is equal to AD and this AB is bisecting this angle A, that is angle CAD is equal to angle DAB. We have to show that these two triangles ABC and ABD, they are congruent, and we have to tell about what can we say about BC and BD. The students, in triangle ABC and triangle ABD. Okay, this AC is equal to AD given. Okay, this angle CAB is equal to angle BAB. Angle CAB is equal to angle DAB. Why? Because AB bisects angle A. Bisects angle A means this is dividing this angle A into two equal halves. And this AB and AB, they are both common in both the triangles. This AB is equal to AB as it is common. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. By which congruency rule? Side angle and this side. Okay, that is by SAS congruency rule. Now, when these two triangles are congruent, we know what are congruent triangles. The congruent triangles are the triangles when they are superimposed, means when they are kept one over the other. They are equal in every manner, means they are equal in angles as well as equal in sides. So when three elements of this triangle, they are proved to be equal, that means the two triangles are congruent, and congruent means that each and every element of these triangles are equal. So BC is equal to BD. The question is, what can we say about BC and BD? So this implies BC is equal to BD. How? By CPCT, that is corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Now coming to question number 2. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AD is equal to BC and angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. We have to prove that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC, BD is equal to AC, and angle ABD is equal to angle BAC. So first of all, we have to prove that these two triangles are congruent. So we will see this figure that this ABCD is a quadrilateral and this side AD is equal to BC. This sign shows that this side is equal to this side, and this angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. So we will consider these two triangles which we have to prove congruent. So we will say in triangle ABD and triangle BAC. Okay, in triangle ABD and BAC, AD is equal to BC. It is given. Okay, angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. This is also given. And this side AB is equal to BA. AB is equal to PA. This is common. We can say that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC by side angle on this side, by SAS congruency rule. Okay, first part is proved. Now second says BD is equal to AC. BD is equal to AC. जब ये congruent होगा triangles दोनों, तो this shows BD is equal to AC. Why? By CPCT. That is corresponding part of congruent triangles. And in the same way, this also implies angle ABD is equal to angle BAC by CPCT. Okay. Now in this way you can show that the corresponding part of congruent triangles are also equal. Now question number 3. In figure, AD and BC are equal perpendiculars to a line segment AB. This is a line segment AB and this AD and this BC, they are equal perpendiculars. Equal perpendicular means they are equal in size, and their perpendicular means that they are making an angle of 90 degrees with this line AB. We have to show that CD bisects AB. CD bisects AB means AO is equal to BO. In this figure, students, we can see two triangles. दो triangles हमें दिख रहे हैं, so we'll take those two triangles, that is in triangle AOD and triangle BOC. Okay, AD is equal to BC. It is given. It is given that AD and BC are equal. Angle OAD is equal to angle OBC. This is also given, each 90 degree, because these two are the perpendicular lines, and students, this angle is equal to this angle. Angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. Why? Because these two are vertically opposite angles. We have proved that three elements of these two triangles are equal. That means the two triangles are congruent. That therefore triangle AOD is congruent to triangle BOC by which congruency? Angle side. That is AAS congruency. Okay. अब जब दो triangles congruent true हो गए, इसका मतलब इसके सारे elements equal होंगे. That means OA is equal to OB. This implies OA is equal to OB and OD is equal to OC. OD is equal to OC by CPCT. That is corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Therefore, CD bisects AB. Hence, shown. और यही हमें प्रूव करना था कि CD bisects AB. Now coming to question number 4. L and M are two parallel lines intersected by another pair of parallel lines P and Q. We have to show that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. You can see in this figure, this L is parallel to M and they are intersected by P parallel to Q. And we have to show that this triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CAD. These two triangles we have to consider. Okay. So what is given? L is parallel to M. This implies AD is parallel to BC. L M के पैरेलल है तो AD पैरेलल टू BC हो गया, and also it is given P is parallel to Q. This shows AB is parallel to CD. If we consider L is parallel to M, that is AD is parallel to BC and AC is a transversal. Okay, let me name these triangle angles as 1, 2, 3 and 4. अब हमने कहा AD is parallel to this, AD is parallel to BC. This means this angle 1 is equal to angle 2. This implies angle 1 is equal to angle 2. AB is parallel to BC and AC is transversal, तो ये 1 और 2 इक्वल हो गए. Why? They are alternate interior angles. Okay. Now coming to second thing, that is AB is parallel to CD and AC is transversal. This implies अब AB is parallel to CD and this is a transversal. That means this angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Why? Because these two are also alternate interior angles. Okay students? Now we'll consider these two triangles जिन्हें हमें congruent prove करना है. Now in triangle ABC and triangle CDA. Okay, ABC और CDA के लिए बात करें तो 1 is equal to angle 2. You can write the names of the triangle angles also. BAC is equal to ACD, but I have written 1, 2 for making it convenient. Proved above. And angle 4 is equal to angle 3. अब हमने यहाँ पे 3 और 4 एंगल 3 इज इक्वल टू 4 क्यों नहीं लिखा है? क्योंकि एंगल 4 जो है वो ABC ट्रायंगल में आ रहा है. तो जिस ट्रायंगल की हम बात करते हैं उसी एंगल को हम नीचे लिखते हैं. तो यहाँ पे हमने लिख दिया एंगल 4 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 3, क्योंकि एंगल 3 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 4 लिखिए या एंगल 4 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 3, इट इज वन एंड द सेम थिंग. तो 4 इज इक्वल टू 3, दिस इज आल्सो प्रूव्ड above. And this AC is equal to CA because it is common. AC is equal to CA because it is common. So we have proved three elements of the two triangles equal. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA by which congruency? Angle side angle. By ASA congruency. Hence, proved.